Peace, everybody. This is Milana Al Hassan of the Crypto DeFi and Plan Group. Check this out. This is my second day in Beehive Hedge. So I'm gonna do a video on Beehive Hedge, let you all see what's going on with it. I guess I'll try to do something like every day, every other day, or something like that. So right now, we're gonna go through what I just done Today I added another, yesterday or the other day I had deposited 4,062, right? And you have to go to Pyra in order to get the BHC token. But stay on Pyra. Don't use that Just Swap. It looks like everything on Just Swap is like overpriced. So don't go to that one. Unless I'm misunderstanding, don't go to that one. Just go straight to Pyra. Okay. So today I deposited, if you see here's my potential profit is 2,031 apples. Now, whatever this is, I'm going to tell you, it's half of this. So it's good. Tell you that now. It's good. The second one, yes, I did another one at 47.59. So honestly, I popped up and this was in my wallet. So I really don't know what had kicked down with this here, but I do know one thing. And the one thing is I reinvested. That's what I can tell you. Because whatever they're doing is working. And I'm going to contact the developer and see what the game theory is about. Maybe I could explain it a little better. And today, I also put in 16,994 apples. So my total profit will be 8,497 apples. That's a damn good profit. So what's going on here? I'm not sure, but I'm in. I know that these developers are pretty good developers. As you see here, the game has a 5-level referral program. So if you want to sign up, please sign up at the link below. We can get this thing cracking, as a group, and read everything on the page. So I'm not going to take time to read the same thing I read yesterday or go through the steps from yesterday. If you have any questions, go to the end tag. It should take you to the first video for Beehive Hedge. Okay, so we're going to see what's happening with this. They tend to do pretty good projects when it comes to the Beehive projects, Tron hives, Ether hives. So we'll see what's up with this. Another thing, the developer said that they don't intend on this Apis coin to just go away. So this isn't a project to where it's just somebody jump in and put something in, and next thing you know, you just get something out of it, and then it goes away. They said that they intend on this token being a regular token and it going up in value. So we really need to look at this Apis project on Beehive. Like I say, they are developers that have been around for a minute, so take a look at it. The link is in the description below. Peace.